welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay Pryor, and in today's video I will be showing y'all how to make your very own bodycon dress pattern. So let's get right into it. What you will need is some Sharpies, a measuring tape, a bodycon dress. This is one that I previously made. Go ahead and grab you like one of your best dresses that fit you very well. And I also have these 14 by 22 inch whiteboards, and we're also going to need a pair of scissors. I also forgot to mention, go ahead and grab you some tape. It doesn't have to be this big, but just go ahead and get you any kind of tape that'll hold the boards together. Go ahead and grab your dress, and what you want to do is turn it inside out, and then after that you want to fold it in half. Alright, so now I'm going to grab my measuring tape and measure where I want my dress to start and where I want it to stop. Since the dress is a tube top dress, I am going to go ahead and start it here. And where I want it to stop is pretty much like midway, mid-thigh, maybe a little bit shorter. But I'm going to add on an extra few inches because this top piece here is going to be a 2-inch fold over, and I'm going to show and explain that to y'all when the time comes. I'm going to start here, and then I'll probably make my dress up to here. And make sure you're standing upright, you're not slouching over or leaning, because as you can see, the measuring tape will move with you and you can get the wrong measurements. Okay, so that's approximately 27 inches. And like I said, I am going to add on more inches, but we're going to go ahead and start getting our pattern cut out. Alright, so this is the top of my dress here. I'm going to go ahead and measure down 27 inches. Alright, so my dress will stop here. Now, what I meant by the 2-inch fold over, as you guys can see here, the dress has a 1-inch fold over for the elastic, and that doubles into 2 inches once you open that up. Since it's 27 inches, I'm going to go ahead and do 29 inches just to give me room for this 2-inch fold over. Now what you want to do is take your dress and bring it towards the edge of your paper. Once you have your dress on the edge, go ahead and measure out where you want your dress to stop. Now I'm going to take my Sharpie and put a dot where the 29 is. And I'm going to do the exact same to the other side as well. Alright, so now that I have my dots in place, I am going to go ahead and draw a curve going up following the outline of this dress here. So I'm just going to start where that dot that I placed and just follow up along the dress. Y'all, the lines might not be perfect, but we can fix that later on. Alright, so this is what I'm working with. I'm just going to go ahead and take a ruler, or if you have a really steady hand, but I'm just going to connect the dot where was on the front of the dress. Now I'm just going to go ahead and do it in a darker color so you guys can see it a little bit better. I am changing the shape a little bit as I go. Now what you want to do is take your scissors and cut out your pattern. You should end up with something like this, and now we're going to go ahead and start labeling it. Alright guys, so this is what you will end up with. You'll have your own pattern created and handcrafted by you. I really do hope you guys did a good job and that this information has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next one.